Good morning. Today we will see the Darwin's theory of a natural selection. We know that variety of organisms are present on our earth, and some of the organisms from our earth, they might be extinct during the course of a time. Many new species of the organism, they are also originating on the earth, and the reason for this one is that the evolution is a continuous process, and because of the evolution the new species formation takes place. And for explaining the theory of evolution, the scientist, that is Charles Darwin, he has proposed the theory of organic evolution, that is commonly called as the Darwin's theory of a natural selection. According to the postulates of this Darwin's theory of a natural selection, all the organisms on the earth, they reproduce prolifically, because reproduction is one of the most important life process by means of which the races of the organism can be survived, or the number of individuals of the species, they can be increased because of the process of the reproduction. And during this reproduction, the new species of the organism formation takes place. Now, how this new species of organism formation takes place? We know that variety of the living organisms, they are present on our earth, and there is a competition for the food, shelter, clothes and all the needs that are necessary for the survival of the organism. And for this purpose, the organism, they may compete with each other. Likewise, for example, in case of a human being, there is a competition. There is a competition for the many things. Food, shelter and clothes, these are the basic needs of a organism. But along with this, there are various other needs also there. And for this purpose, the organism, they may shows the competition. And whenever the organism, they compete with each other, there is a struggle for the existence. And this is the first postulate which has been given by the Charles Darwin, that is the struggle for existence. Struggle for existence. Each and every living organism that is present on our earth have to struggle for its existence. And whenever the organism is making a competition, or whenever the struggle is there, at that time every living organism have to make the favorable changes in its body. And whenever the organism is making the changes, at that time it will have to match with the prevailing atmospheric condition, and that is called as the natural selection. This is the second postulate, natural selection. Natural selection. The simple meaning of this natural selection is that nature selects the organism which can fit with the prevailing atmospheric condition. प्रत्येक सजीवाला जगण्यासाठी संघर्ष करावा लागतो. That is the struggle for existence. Okay. And नैसर्गिक निवड म्हणजे means natural selection. Whenever the organism make the changes in its body, then it will be selected by the nature. One example which was given in the old syllabus of our 10th standard, that one example it was given, a species of a moth. Moth means in Marathi we call it as kitak or insect. It was present in a Birmingham area, and that area, whenever there was no industrialization at that time, that area was completely covered with the canopy, and a dense vegetation was there, and these species of moth, they were present on the bark of a tree which was previously grayish in color because of the growth of algae as well as fungi. So the two species of moth was there, that is a grey as well as a black colored moth. But the grey colored species of moth which was present in that area, it was get protected because as it was present on the bark of a tree, so it was get protected from its prey, that is the birds which eat that insect. So naturally the grey colored species of a moth, it was it was protected from its predator because of its coloration, because it was matched with the nature or that bark of a tree. But later on, what happened in that area? In that area, the industrialization occurred, and whenever the industrialization occurred in that area, so what happened? Because of the emission of the black carbon which was accumulated on that bark of a tree, and that bark of a tree which was previously grayish in color, now it become blackish in color, so that the grey colored moth now which are present in that area, they can easily seen by their predator, that is the birds, and now they are eaten by their predators. Okay, so because of that, the grey colored moth, the number of grey colored moth, now it become less in that area, and now we can see only the black colored moth in that area, because this black coloration of the moth, it can protect them from their predator as they are present on the bark of a tree now which is a black in color. Simply, natural selection means we should have to match with the prevailing atmospheric condition so that we get protected and we get evolved more and more. That is the natural selection. And the third point, that is the survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest. What is the meaning of this survival of the fittest? Those organisms which can make the changes in their body, they will survive. Those they become fit with the prevailing atmospheric condition, they will survive. They will survive and other will die. जे सजीव स्वतःमध्ये दिलेल्या वातावरणानुसार बदल करून घेतील त्यांनाच जगण्याचा अधिकार आहे. Okay, so that is called as the survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest. You might be known about the dinosaurs. Dinosaurs which were present on the earth in a Jurassic period. All of you might have seen that movie, that is Jurassic Park. The name is given that on the basis of the period or era in which the dinosaurs they were present on our earth. Whenever we are studying the Charles Darwin, at that time we should know how the dinosaurs they get extincted from our earth. Why they get extinct? They were present at the Jurassic period, so that the name is given. That movie, that is Jurassic Park. But as day by day the atmosphere is changing, it was changing, so the dinosaurs they were unable to match with the changing atmospheric condition, and because of which the species of the dinosaur they get extincted from our earth, and nowadays we can study the dinosaur only in the form of a fossil. With the help of only the fossil record, we can say that dinosaur they were present on the earth and they were the structure of the dinosaur like this. So in this way, those organisms which can make the changes in their body, they will survive and other will die. So these are the three important postulates which has been given by the Charles Darwin, that is struggle for existence, then the natural selection and the survival of the fittest. In a board exam or whenever we are preparing for the competitive exam like to that of the NEET exam, then always the question is asked on a dinosaur. So all of you should have to remember that dinosaurs they were present and they get extincted because they will not match according to this principle. Okay, so this is the theory which has been given by the Charles Darwin. Actually, Charles Darwin he stated that those the changes they are occur in the body, but he was unable to explain the how the what is the function of the degenerating or the vestigial organ. Again, Darwin does not mention any explanation about the usefulness and useless organ. So for this purpose, another scientist he come ahead, that is the Lamarck, and he had proposed the theory that is called as the Lamarckism. Now we will see a Lamarckism. Not the detailed information about Lamarckism is given. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Lamarckism. What are the postulates of the Lamarckism? Lamarck, he stated that those organs that we are using more, they will evolve more. And those organs that we are not using, they will destroy during the course of evolution. And for explaining this, he had given certain examples. The first example that he had given about that is the use of the shoulders by the ironsmith for hammering on the hot iron. As the ironsmith is using his shoulders, so it becomes more strong. The shoulders, they become more strong. Means those organs that we are using more, they will evolve more. And those organs that we are not using, they will become weak. For example, the legs of egg, that is ostrich as well as a emu. These are the large size birds. As their weight is more, so that these birds rather they are flying, but they does not fly, so they can walk. So because of this, their wings they become weak. And by giving such an example, he had stated that those organs that we are using more, they will evolve more, and those that we are not using, they will destroy during the course of evolution. He had also given the example of, that is the neck of a giraffe. Giraffe, which is a herbivorous animal. Giraffe is a herbivorous animal, and previously the neck of giraffe was not too long. It was browsing the leaves which was present on a land, but later on the grass which was present on a land, it will halt, so that it have to raise his neck to browse the leaves from the medium sized the tall trees. So because of this, the neck of a giraffe, it become too long. And those characters, according to Lamarckism, those characters that are that we get in our generation, that will transfer from one generation to the next generation. Actually, there are many exceptions to this Lamarckism, but he was successful in explaining about the neck of the giraffe. So this is the Darwinism as well as the Lamarckism. And the next point that is related to that is evolution, that is the speciation. After the changes that are occur in the body of the organism, the species formation takes place. Now, what are the species? Species is a group of an individual which can produce the fertile individuals of their own. That is called as the species. And because of this, actually this evolution, it is a continuous process. And because of the evolution or the gradual changes which are occurring in the organism, the new species formation takes place, and that new species which is formed, it can match with the prevailing atmospheric condition, and it will be survive on the earth. And this is nothing but our speciation. So next part that remains, that is the human evolution, that we will see in the next video.